Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about JSP scriptlet element. Now the JSP scriptlet element is a very powerful element, and the way of using this is very simple. We simply make use of tag percentage symbol, and in between these two tags definitely we can make use of Java fragments. These could be like complete code or partial code, it's up to you. For example, in here I type in int x equal to 25, and then we try to print the value of x in next line by typing in out.println. Definitely we would be able to print it on our web page. Let me show you. Let me execute this page on the web server, and here is the output, which is amazing. Now this variable 25 would be available later down the line on the page as well. For example, in here I type in percentage equal to, and I have tried to print the value of x. Again the value would be available. So this is the power of scriptlet. We can execute complete fragment of code. There is no limitation. There could be multiple statement inside the scriptlet. Alright, now inside this particular scriptlet we can definitely make use of conditions. For example, in here I can type in if x is greater than 25. In that case we will print out.println x is greater than 25, and let us also add the else part, and let me copy this particular line of code, and it would be like x is not greater than 25. Alright, let me execute this web page. Here we go. So here is the output where it says 25, x is not greater than 25. Definitely we need to like format things a little. Let me get rid of this. Alright, and now let me refresh the page, and now it will definitely give us a proper output. X is not greater than 25. Amazing. Now not only if condition, in fact we can also for example make use of a loop or things like that. We can definitely make use of any Java code in here. Let me show you demo of for loop. So I can type in for int I equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and in between the body of the for loop, firstly we will output a br tag. So I will type in out.println, and we will output br tag. Now friends, the reason why we make use of out.println is very simple. We would like to print the information on the web page and not on the console. So we simply make use of out.println. So in here, in between the pair of double quotes, we will type in br tag. Alright, and finally in next line we will type in out.println, and we will print the value of I. In fact, we must make use of out.print method rather than println. When it comes to scriptlet, when it comes to JSP, always make use of print method. Why? Because println and print method will work as same. Println will not add a extra line, and in fact in order to add the extra line we must explicitly add the br tag. Alright, in fact you can also make use of the paragraph tag. Alright, so in here if I execute this program, then here is the output, which is perfect. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and in our next video we will check out a yet another element. Thanks for watching.